Hi. Is the subject here? Like, is he still?
No, he's on foot.
He's on foot?
Yeah.
Okay. Was he trying to just?
Yeah, trying to ram the gate and get out of here. He rammed the gate a couple times. That's what I heard from running.
Terminal 2, lower level. Terminal 2, lower level. No, Terminal 2, 3, and 4. Knock it down. Nobody out. Oh, sorry.
He's headed towards Terminal 2, lower level. He broke the door inside the gate.
Terminal 2, lower level.
Hey, we have to copy a bomb. Terminal 2, 3, and 4. Knock it down. Nobody out.
On January 1st, 2023, Broward County Sheriff's Office, deputies responded to a grand theft vehicle call at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport.
So, got a call.
I was at the copy coming over to monitor
Basically got a call Milwaukee. Basically said that the customer was trying to steal the car. So I walked over there, or ran over there, sorry. Ran over there, and I heard a couple bangs. By the time I got there, it was probably like this third bang to the gate.
Black male, white shirt, black
male,
pants,
white shirt.
Yep, he's inside, bro. He's not out here.
I need some units down lower level. Seems like there's a vehicle trying to ram through the gate down here.
So maybe someone's trying to ram through.
Seems like it's a Jeep of some sort. Okay, lower level.
Jeep.
Hold on, which gate?
He got into a Jeep, and now he's trying to ram through a gate.
Oh, so he said you rented it from Texas.
Lower level. Unless he's banging through like metal gates, but.
I might need a second call me. What ram me? He's heading back, bro. Take right here. He just collided with me. We're talking to this. We have 2 4. He's just with me. Hang on. You have to be He's headed towards Terminal 2, lower level. Terminal 2, lower level. No, Terminal 2, 3, and 4. Knock it down. Nobody out. Oh, sorry. Units across, lock down terminal. Somebody talk to me better.
Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the fucking car!
Man, coming out. Okay, no one stay at the exit in case it comes around. I'll take that legal description. I think the second call me. Look, man, he's heading back the wrong way. Every year, he just collided with me.
Under Florida Statute Section 812.014, theft of a vehicle valued above $750 constitutes grand theft, a third-degree felony. Under Florida Statute Section 901.15, a warrantless arrest is lawful when an officer has probable cause to believe a felony has been committed. Probable cause was established on 3 independent grounds: dispatch intelligence, eyewitness accounts of gate breaches, and officers' own observations of the suspect on foot. The Supreme Court held in Illinois versus Wardlow that flight from law enforcement is a recognized factor contributing to reasonable suspicion, and when combined with felony information, it solidifies probable cause. The terminal lockdown covering terminals 2, 3, and 4 reflects sound tactical doctrine in a complex public environment. Contain the threat, clear civilians, and reduce the suspect's concealment options simultaneously. Verbal commands issued prior to physical contact serve a dual legal function. They establish the suspect's awareness of officer presence, and they document an opportunity to comply before force is applied.
He's headed towards Terminal 2, lower level. He broke the door inside the gate. Hey, we have to copy a bomb. Terminal 2, transport.
Terminal 2,
Knock it down.
transport. Knock it down. Knock it down.
Go back to the bus.
Hey.
Going out?
Hey, let's check this bus.
Completely down.
Let's go. We freaking ran me, bro, when we came out of the thing.
Hey,
somebody run on this bus?
One of the officers. We're trying
Somebody
to
run on this bus?
running on foot on a terminal. Yeah, that changes. Like, yeah, we'll
Everybody, hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Description and
All the way up. All the way up.
kind of like a cat. Low haircut.
10-3 to fucking air.
Rental.
Hey, 41, cut 10 through the air. We got him in the red coach bus, lower level between 1 and 2. Let me get units to the red coach bus.
The red coach bus.
Get units over here to the red coach bus. Let me see your fucking hands. Let me see your fucking hands. Let me see your hands now. Fucking hands. See your hands now. Let's go. Get everybody off the bus. Give me your fucking hands. Get off the bus now. Everybody off the bus. Give me your fucking hands. Get up. Get up. Inside with him. Let me see your fucking hands. Yes. Let me see your fucking hands behind your back. You fuck. You got it. Here you go. Something fell. It's just both. Come on. I got it.
Is that subject in custody? I think they have him. I think they're attempting to.
20, we got him in custody. Get up.
Under Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, the reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. Graham's three-factor test requires courts to consider the severity of the crime, whether the suspect posed an immediate threat, and whether the suspect was actively resisting or attempting to evade arrest. All three factors weighed in favor of elevated force here: grand theft of a vehicle, an unknown threat profile, and an active multi-barrier flight through a secured commercial airport. Once the suspect raised his hands, the legal calculus shifted. Compliance is a de-escalation signal continued force. Beyond that point, would no longer satisfy Graham's reasonableness standard. Deputies correctly transitioned from aggressive command posture to physical control, and then to assistance, each phase proportional to the threat level at that specific moment.
Get up! Get up! Get up! Now! Yes, sir! Get up! Yes, sir! Get up! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Did you guys search one off? Huh? You guys search one off yet? You got a mark unit anywhere around here? Here, right here, right here. It's good, it's good.
Congratulations.
Hey, make sure we don't let anybody in the bus and search that good. There's no signal zero or anything in there. All right, before we let anybody in there. Is the car secure? Somebody's with the car? The car? Golf 30. Is anybody with the vehicle at the scene? Listen, dude. You have any weapons on you? You have any knives on you? Anything that can stick me?
No.
You got a little knife? What pocket? Left pocket? Hey, before you put them on there, we can fix the cuffs because they're a little loose. What's wrong with your arm, dude?
It's broken.
It's broken? Yes. Oh, you guys got rescue?
Let rescue check him first.
Let me just make sure that the cuffs are good.
During the search incident to arrest, a knife was recovered from the suspect's left pocket. Under United States versus Robinson, decided in 1973, a lawful arrest authorizes a full search of the arrestee's person, no warrant required. The suspect voluntarily disclosed the weapon before officers located it. While legally unnecessary for the search to proceed, voluntary disclosure eliminates any Fourth Amendment challenge to the recovery. Whether the knife constitutes a chargeable offense under Florida Statute section 790.0-1 depends on blade length and concealment method. neither of which is determinable from this footage alone. The suspect reported a broken arm while in custody. Under City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital, decided by the Supreme Court in 1983, the government bears an affirmative constitutional duty to provide medical care to individuals injured during arrest. Failure to fulfill that duty exposes the department to civil liability under 42 United States Code Section 1983, which permits suit against state actors for deprivation of constitutional rights under color of law. Deputies called rescue immediately upon learning of the injury and arranged hospital transport before processing. This response satisfies the Revere standard and forecloses a custodial medical care claim. No Miranda advisement is visible on this footage. While Miranda applies only to custodial interrogation, not arrest itself, any post-arrest questioning without advisement would be subject to suppression under Miranda versus Arizona. At the time of this analysis, case disposition remains unknown. Charges consistent with this footage would include grand theft of a vehicle, resisting an officer, and potentially carrying a concealed weapon, each carrying distinct sentencing exposure under Florida law.
Officer 100, do you have ASO's clear from what's dropping out? Julius 26, we're staying out from the traffic. There's traffic.
Alright, this should be good, guys. You searched on left, you searched the right side, right?
Alright, come on out, young man, come on. Gotta get you into the hospital, they can check you out. We're gonna get you in the hospital. Can you come out? Gotta get your leg out, man. Come on. You want some gloves? Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, I'm gonna help you. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Put your feet firmly on the ground, okay? Okay. Now, you ready? You ready? Stand up. There we go. That's it. There we go. There we go. Slow walk. Slow walk. Get in there. Watch your step. Watch your step. You gotta step up. There we go. Walk slowly, bro. I don't want you to fall on me, okay? Come on. Bro, you just been involved in an accident, bro. You're all messed up. Watch your step. Watch your step, man. You gotta look down. There you go. There you go. Come on. Want to come around? You good? Yeah. Let's get you away from me. Hey man, get your life together, man. Get your life together, man.
All right, buddy. Get up. Huh? You need help? Watch your head. Bring down.
I was coming down that ramp.
There you go.
You call it out? I was coming down that bus ramp. And that's where we met right
Yeah,
there.
you're right there.
Right there, that choke point. Good.
All right, do you want the seatbelt or no? No?
Yeah.
You said no seatbelt, right? I said I need to hear it. Nope. All right.
The Broward County Sheriff's Office deputies receive a B+. Probable cause was properly established. Force was proportional and de-escalated on compliance. The search incident to arrest was procedurally correct, and the medical response satisfied the constitutional custodial care standard. The deduction reflects disorganized radio coordination during the active pursuit phase, a tactical gap that created unnecessary command ambiguity in a high-stakes environment. The suspect receives a C+. Flight through a secured airport and possession of a concealed weapon during the commission of a felony represent serious aggravating factors. However, voluntary disclosure of the weapon, compliance upon being cornered, and absence of physical resistance post-arrest demonstrate that the suspect made markedly better decisions once apprehended conduct that prevented significant escalation and may factor favorably in any subsequent disposition. The Broward County Sheriff's Office as a department receives a B. Airport-specific operational protocols were correctly applied, and body camera documentation reflects an accountability culture. However, radio discipline failures and the absence of confirmed Miranda advisement on camera represent procedural gaps that training and policy reinforcement should address. 3 lessons stand out from this incident. First, in complex public environments, airports, transit hubs, stadiums, early civilian clearance is not optional. It is a constitutional and tactical imperative that limits both crossfire risk and bystander civil exposure. Second, the moment a suspect signals compliance, force must de-escalate immediately. Continued force past the compliance threshold shifts from justified to a potential Fourth Amendment violation, regardless of what preceded it. Third, custodial medical care is not discretionary. City of Revere places an affirmative duty on arresting officers, not supervisors, not medical staff, to initiate care. Delay or indifference to an in-custody injury is a direct path to Section 1983 liability. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.